In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack Huddle. Slack Huddle is a fantastic tool for quick, informal meetings and spontaneous discussions. It helps bring your team together for seamless audio or video calls right within your workspace. Now, let's dive in and see how you can make the most of this feature. First, to start a huddle, begin by opening any channel or direct message where you'd like to have your discussion. This is the place where you can choose your audience, whether it's a group of colleagues in a specific channel or simply one-on-one within a direct message. Once you're in the desired channel or chat, look towards the top right corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the Huddle button, similar to a play button, that gives you access to start a Huddle session. A simple click on this icon starts your Huddle. Next, you'll notice your microphone is muted by default to avoid any background noise disruption. Click the mic icon to unmute yourself, allowing your voice to be heard by everyone in the Huddle. If you prefer to make the meeting more interactive and personable, you have the option to activate your video. To do this, just click the camera icon, and your video feed will join the call. This is a great way to add a layer of nonverbal communication that can be very beneficial for team discussions. One of the best features of Slack Huddle is that anyone in that conversation can join effortlessly. As soon as you start the huddle, other participants will see a join button they can click to hop into the conversation. This makes it simple and seamless for your team to jump in and participate. In case halfway through your huddle you realize you need more people involved, there's no need to restart. Just click the Add People icon and you'll be able to invite more participants into the conversation at any point. This flexibility makes the huddle incredibly dynamic and adaptable to your changing needs. Another feature available to enhance collaboration is screen sharing. Simply click Share Screen and you'll be able to present slides, share documents, or even showcase designs in real time. This is particularly helpful when you're collaborating on projects or discussing visual content that everyone needs to see. For real-time feedback during the huddle, Slack allows you to react live with emojis. It's a great way to express agreement, applause, or even a lighthearted emoji to add some fun to your meetings. Finally, when the huddle is finished, wrap up the conversation by clicking the red icon to end the session. It's straightforward and ensures the huddle concludes for everyone involved. That's it. You've now learned how to use Slack Huddle efficiently. It's an easy yet powerful way to engage with your team, ensuring communication stays fluid and effective. Thank you for watching, and happy huddling.